The wait is over. Lauxes Grates are proud to announce new and exciting products set to disrupt the tile and flooring industry. Never has a drainage company dabbled in the edge of greatness, taking product innovation and functionality to new heights. After much speculation, we are excited to announce Lauxes Grates have developed the world's thinnest tile insert grate, coming in at just 21mm in height. We told you we'd change the world one grate at a time. Next, we have our stormwater grate, measuring in at 128mm wide. This top tray only acts as a replacement top to existing plastic stormwater grates. Available as a slotted grate or a tile insert, these grates will spruce up any outdoor area and are the perfect DIY option for your home or business. Improve the look of your outdoor drainage in just a few seconds with either of these additions. And, saving the best till last, I can announce all Lauxes Grates product lines are UV stabilised, meaning due to Australia's strong UV, we can safely guarantee the corrosion-free nature use of any midnight grate in outdoor applications. Now, it does not stop there. Lauxes Grates is always evolving. Stay tuned for Lauxes Grates Gold Class.